So why are we doing this?
After Anissa told me what happened, I wanted to make sure everything was okay with you internally.
Whoa, what was that?
The machine's malfunctioning.
I swear.
Just switch places with your sister, please.
Hey. Jen, look. I apologize for earlier. You know I didn't mean what I said.
Yes, you did, Harriet. But it's cool. I can take it.
Whoa.
That's so cool. I can see inside of her.
Everything looks normal. Switch back, please.
All right, what'd you see?
That's not a malfunction.
Okay, so do dad scans look like this?
No, they don't. Jefferson's like a battery. He takes electricity from the source and channels it through his body. According to this MRI, Jennifer's a generator.
What are you saying?
Her cells are creating pure energy.
Where's everyone else at?
Behind that preposition.
What?
It is bad English to end a sentence with a preposition.
Oh, where's everyone else at, bruh?
Good. It's good. There is no one else. You're it. I'll be personally mentoring you.
How'd you know I was gonna come?
I didn't. But I'm glad you did. Okay, this is a mantra. You know what a mantra is?
No.
A mantra is a motivating or calming word or phrase that's repeated. You see, some people believe that if you repeat something frequently, it becomes real.
You believe that?
I believe that whatever you say or do repeatedly becomes your reality, yeah. You know, Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Okay, now I want you to read aloud the words under student, all right? Where is the future?
Right here.
Whose life is this?
Mine.
What are you going to do with it?
Live it. By any means necessary. I like that.
Now we can actually begin.
Hey. Mr. Pierce.
Yes.
I'm sorry for shooting your dog with fake blood.
I know you are. I know you are. All right. Can I help you?
If you ever want to see Peter Gamby again, you'll come with us, and you'll come quietly.
Okay. These are poems by Langston Hughes. Your assignment, read one poem a day, and we'll discuss them next Saturday.
Let's go.